Shankar Sharma, Samir thinks it will take at least a month or two before the market finds its bottom. From your lens, have we reached the bottom? How far is the bottom from here? How much more bleeding do you expect before the bleeding stops?
So there are two things here, and of course, Samir has given 1-2 months as a target. I mean, I think if you ask him, put a gun to his head, I think he might be a little bit more conservative than that. And I think because obviously he's on television, he doesn't want to say things which might be a little bit problematic. And the problematic part is 1-2 months may not be enough for this damage to heal. And each time such a damage happens, it has happened. We've seen it in the past in 2000, 2008. COVID was different. That was a specific event and a very different kind of a shock to the system. The shock got eliminated because of rate cuts and the market rebounded. But this kind of I can call it correction, bear market, is not an easy period to navigate for people because prices can fall sharply, they can rebound, they will rebound. I mean, it's fallen a lot. And the problem then happens, then people start to believe that it's over. But such kind of problematic situations don't get over in a month, 2 months, even 6 months time. It can be a longer period. And for this group of investors, set of investors, last 3-4 years, and they were told that markets are not cyclical by the wealth managers or whoever was advising them. The fact is markets are cyclical. They are 100% cyclical. And this is their first exposure to cyclicality. But the cycles are not short-lived. They take longer to form, they take longer to peak, and then they take a little bit less to correct. But not like, what happened in COVID. It might take a few months, even a year, maybe a year and a half, maybe 2 years to heal, get the let's say the pain out of the system, get the numbers adjusted to the markets, because markets were probably factoring in growth in corporate earnings, which was very high. Maybe we're not getting that. I mean, all the downgrades are telling us the market numbers are too optimistic. All of that will take time. It will be a more protracted period of adjustment, and not like COVID. People should not mistake it for a COVID kind of situation, which was completely out of the blue black swan event, and it got solved relatively quickly. This is probably a slower burn.
Okay.
So yes, it is going to be painful, but then it's part and parcel, as Samir said. I mean, I see no reason why these people should not suffer what we have suffered in 30 years. We have been through many such events. Let them also have one of their own.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.